Hey guys, today's hair review video is by DeepWave777.com. You can find them at www.dyhair777.com. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I install a 22-inch Brazilian Highlights P24/7 Lace Frontal Wig, which is 150% density. In this wig, you can see there's 3 clips, 2 to the front, 1 to the back, and a secure band for your head. So here I'm going to start off by showing you guys how I place the wig on the mannequin head to go ahead and pluck my hairlines. It's a natural hairline, but I went in and plucked some more to get a more natural look. As you can see, I am showing you how I spray water on the front to start plucking. So here guys, I am going to go in with my tweezer and get some of those hair from the hairline to make it look more natural. So just stay tuned. Hey guys, so I went ahead, as I told you guys before, that I will be plucking the hair off camera. So I went ahead and plucked the hair. So now I'm going to install it on my head. Right here guys, I was deciding if I should do the ball cap or just eliminate the cap, because y'all know I don't like cap. It's a lot of heat, but I went in and do so, being that the wig was not bleached, to hide some of that black knot. After spraying and drying with my blow dryer, I now went in with my razor and cut the excessive stocking cap away so that I can go ahead and place my wig on. Stay tuned to see this fabulous install. Here the camera was giving me a big trouble, but I'm glad that you guys can see what I was doing. So some of the cap was lifting, so I went back with the spray and add more there and blow dry again. I went in and used my got2b glue because I wasn't looking for a long time install. I wanted something that could easily remove, so I went ahead and used that glue. I used 2 layers of glue and used my blow dryer on cool to get it sticky so that way it can be properly secured. I went ahead and placed the wig on and used a tail comb to comb through the hairline so I don't have it sticky when I'm supposed to style the hair. So after placing the wig on, I went ahead and tied the hairline down with a elastic band and allow it to dry properly. I went ahead and cut the lace off camera because my battery went dead, but you guys in my previous videos know how I cut my lace already. So here I'm making some sideburns because I'm going in with some baby hair with this look. So stay tuned to see, because I did not finish this baby hair on camera, but I was just showing you guys how I part it out and what I went in with to cut and I didn't cut it too short so that it would be easy for when I am making those lovely baby hair. Again, this is a 22-inch deep wave P24 Brazilian hair from DH777.com. DHYhair777.com. So yes guys, go on their website and use the coupon code BB10 to get your $10 discount off any orders over $50 and more. After making my baby hair, I went in with my wax stick from Contour and my hot comb to get those flyaways back and ready to style the next side. Guys, I'm loving this hair. The texture is amazing. It's a curly hair and it was limited shedding that was being done. I love this hair so much. Thank you again to DH777. I enjoyed installing this hair. At this moment, I went ahead with my got to be spray and put my blow dryer on cool to get that edge laying. Here I am making some more baby hair, as you can see, because this wig needed that lovely baby hair for this nice side part. Right here I'm just giving it its final touch with the hot comb to get those flyaway down so that I can spray, use my mousse, and get it all glam. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and again, don't forget to check out this hair. You can find them in my description box below, and the link will be there and take you straight to the website. The coupon code is also there, so just copy and paste it in your coupon area on the website and get your discount on this lovely hair or any other hair on their page that you like. Just use the discount code. Remember, it's any order over $50 and more, the code will work. Look at me playing with this lovely hair, dolls. I love it. I go ahead and I spray this hair with conditioner and water, and I just went ahead with some mousse. If you want a more defined look, I see where Eco Style Gel works for me to not let it look puffy after a while, but here I wasn't going for that look, so I just went in with my water and conditioner and some mousse. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend about becoming the Barnes, and spread the love. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for another lovely video on my channel, whether it's hair video or lifestyle. Ooh, comment down below and tell me how you braid this hair. I am loving it.